If your Google Chrome cache is taking up too much space on your system drive, or you simply want to move it to a different folder for better organization, this tutorial is going to help you do exactly that. In this video, I'll show you how to change Google Chrome cache location in just a few simple steps, and you won't need any complicated software to do it. This is a great way to manage disk space, especially if you use Chrome heavily or work on a computer where storage matters. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure all Google Chrome windows are completely closed. This step is important because Chrome needs to be fully shut down before the cache location change will work properly. If even one window is still open in the background, the new setting may not apply. So take a moment and close everything related to Chrome. Next, create a new folder on your computer in the location where you want Chrome's cache files to be stored. For example, you could make a folder called Chrome Cache on your D drive, like d:/Chrome Cache. You can name the folder any you want, but keep it easy to find and remember. This is where Chrome will start saving its temporary internet files after we update the shortcut. Now go to your desktop and find the Google Chrome shortcut icon. Right-click on that shortcut and choose Properties from the menu. A new window will open with several tabs at the top. Click the Shortcut tab because that's where we need to make the change. Inside the Shortcut tab, look for the Target box. This box contains the path that launches Chrome, and it will usually end with chrome.exe in quotation marks. Click at the very end of that line, then press your spacebar one time. This space is very important because it separates the Chrome program path from the extra command we're about to add. After the space, paste in this text, --disk-cache-dir equals your new folder path in quotation marks. So if your folder is on the D drive, it should look something like this, --disk-cache-dir equals d:/Chrome cache. Make sure the path is typed correctly, because Chrome will only use the new cache folder if the location is exact. Once you've added the text, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. That's the step that makes the shortcut remember the new cache location. If you skip Apply, the change may not be saved, so always confirm it before closing the window. Now double-click that same modified Chrome shortcut to open the browser. Chrome will launch normally, but now it will begin storing cache files in the new folder you selected instead of the default location. Over time, you'll see Chrome building its temporary internet files inside that folder automatically. If you want to check that it's working, browse a few websites and then look inside the folder you created. You should start seeing cache data appear there as Chrome runs. And if at any point you want to change it again, you can simply repeat the same steps and point the shortcut to a different folder. So that's how to change Google Chrome cache location quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.